What is going on YouTube? So today's video is brought to you by a brand called Carpuride. I'm guessing I'm saying it right. This is a really neat unit here that, guys, I'm gonna be real with you. You know I shoot straight with y'all. I've had this thing for probably at least 6 to 8 months now, man. I've had this unit tucked away, and I'm trying to catch up on some of the smaller videos. I am gonna be doing the CD5. That'll probably be the next video y'all see, but I'm trying to catch up on some of the smaller stuff. I've got a lot of Android technology stuff that I need to get knocked out, that my sponsors and stuff have been gracious enough to allow me to get to whenever I can. But this unit here is specifically for Rambo over there, and the reasoning why is because Rambo does not have enough space in the dash for a double DIN unit, and I really want something that we can use Google Maps, play the music, all of that type of stuff, but not have to try to cut the dash up on the RAM. So let me show you what I'm talking about. As you see there's really just space for a single DIN in this truck, which I'm okay with, but I really want some double DIN technology, you know, like the CarPlay and whatnot. So that's what I'm hoping this Carpuride can help accomplish. Again, this is gonna be a pretty straightforward video, guys. I'm not gonna do a whole bunch of really anything. I'm just gonna try to get this thing set up and go over some of the main features that it has in case you guys are interested. And I will leave a link to this unit in the description below if it does spike your interest. But anyway, here's a look at what comes in the package. You've got all sorts of mounting points. I think this is gonna be the way I go, maybe, if it sticks to the dash good. If not, I may have to do the suction cup method on the actual windshield, but I'm hoping I can get it to stick straight to the dash right above where the CD player is at. That'll keep it out of my field of view for driving and stuff. You got 2 of these pads, I guess just in case one messes up or something. That gives you 2 of these sticky pads, like double-sided tape. You got 1 of these. It's all kind of adapters, guys. But anyway, again, the cool thing about this unit is here is the power source. Like you literally just plug it into a cigarette lighter and you've got power. And then here is an aux cord if you have to connect it to your radio via aux cord. It will connect via Bluetooth as well, which is what I'm gonna try to set up. But just in case your stuff is a little older, this right here will allow it to connect via an aux cord. So what I'm gonna try to do now is mount this thing up and I'll see if we can get the power on. So I'm gonna take this little stand here and I'm gonna take this double-sided tape, peel that off and stick it to the back. Simple as can be. And it also has screw holes here, so I'm guessing you can like bolt this thing now, but I'm really hoping that this double-sided tape will be enough. I don't really want to drill into my dash or anything. So hopefully this double-sided sticky pad thing will be enough. For the unit, I'm gonna go ahead and attach the power cable, and then I'm gonna clamp it on, which to install it, you just line those 4 slots up and push down. And it's locked in, boys, just like that. And there's a lot of range here. You can turn it, you can do whatever. Loading up. Okay, pairing up. Alright guys, so as you can see, everything is functioning as it should. Can go hit these Harbor Freight or the Walmarts up. Which is exactly what I wanted. And this thing actually does a little bit better with Android Auto. This does exactly what I wanted the Maxpeedingrods unit to do, which is like it automatically connects to my Spotify. So I don't have to sign in and stuff to Spotify. Like I'm already logged in, as you can see. Like this is all my stuff, like what I would listen to, already loaded up. I loved it. Like that's fucking dope. That's really what I wanted my unit in the van to do, but it's just 2 different setups. Like it's completely different. So yeah, I have to sign all of that back over, but this thing is pretty freaking mint, guys. It's pretty freaking mint. This right here is my boy. You might have heard him in a previous video when I did a freestyle, but this is his mixtape, guys. Go check it out.
Hold on, little homie, let's get it. Do something in my tracks, probably running up pages. I put a W on winning. Zero put the S and spinning. Nigga, let's get it. Best on rest and flip. Nigga, let's get it. Too much drip, I'm slipping. Hold on, little homie, let's get it. Do something in my tracks, probably running up pages. I put a W on winning. Zero put the S and spinning. Nigga, let's get it. Best on rest and flip. Nigga, let's get it. Too much drip, I'm slipping. I'm the shit, can't tame me, hug it. Smoking on gas pad, giving me buggy. I'ma say I'm the shit, so nigga flush me. Run the pass to the opposition like rubber. Chopping ain't neck, take live like a cannon, one squeeze over trigger.
So I probably won't even really need to use it around the way. I probably just have to use it like when we like making a trip or doing something like that. I know it's gonna be a good time when we do the Tail of the Dragon trip this year. We'll really get to check it out and see how it does on that road trip type of setup like that. But for now, guys, I mean, it seems like it works great. I mean, it's like an external, it's almost like a tablet, honestly, like that you can mount in your car. That's pretty much what it seems like to me. Like a tablet that comes with a mount to mount it inside your car. So pretty damn neat, I guess. I mean, I'm not gonna say it's inventive and it's something new, but it's pretty neat, man, and it's doing exactly what I wanted, which is allowing me to use Google Maps up here and not on my phone, so that my phone can actually like be resting. Like when we travel, it can just chill and not have to be on the whole time that we're riding. Cause that 7-hour drive to get to the mountains, man, is a trip, man. that's a lot on your battery, on your phone and stuff. So it'll be nice to be able to let it rest while we use this unit here. I will update you guys as that time comes. But so far, guys, this thing is pretty freaking mint. Okay, boys, so turbo car is back at the house. Did we fix it? No, it is still fucked up. When I loaded it on the dolly yesterday, I could tell it was still super lean. And so I went inside, got James, and had him come out. He was looking at it, and he's like, you know what? I think it may be a fuel issue. So I'm gonna have to go through, I'm gonna check that fuel filter. It may be clogged just because I don't know when the last time I changed it, if I ever changed it. I may have not. So with this E85, I know I definitely need to do that. So we're gonna be doing that in an upcoming video. Not today, don't have time today, but I do plan on jumping on this as soon as hopefully I can go ahead and get that CD5 knocked out. Some other things to note about this car. So previously I did state that the engine was bad. I was talking to James yesterday and I did not get to film any of this during the process. I wanted to, I even asked him to, but we kind of got, I like absorbing information, guys. I'm big on trying to learn as much as I can about this type of stuff, because when I don't know, he's my go-to, and when he's telling me, I be so wrapped up in trying to understand it that I may not always think to record the stuff. So basically, when I told you guys that the engine was bad, it was because he did a cylinder leak down test to check the health of the cylinders, and the results were cylinder 1, 5% leakage, normal. Cylinder 2, 5% leakage, normal. Cylinder 3, 10% leakage, still normal. And cylinder 4 had 22% leakage. Borderline / something is going or gone wrong. Okay, cylinder 4 is not the healthiest. It has leakage past the rings. It is not enough to warrant a rebuild or any kind of replacement as of yet. However, this gets worse. The piston will have to be replaced. More than likely, the piston ring lands are breaking. This engine does show slight signs of blow-by. This would be from the issue on cylinder 4. Another thing, this is why I like going to James. Like, he does these detailed printouts as to what exactly they do to your car, as well as what exactly the next steps, I guess, would be. There's also stuff on the front, but yeah, it's really neat, man. So if you're thinking about getting your stuff worked on or tuned, man, I highly recommend my boy James. He's been doing all of my stuff on the channel for at least, I want to say at least 8, almost 10 years now. And I have nothing but good things to say about him. So link is always in the description if you would like to check his page out, or you're interested in seeing some of his work. But with this newfound information, James told me that he has seen customers' cars with this same amount of blow-by, if not worse, last for 3 more years on top of that. And I'm talking about they straight race the car, everything. So I do feel better. I'm not trying to go that long. I'm trying to get this done within a year, guys. I'm trying to get this done. I'm gonna shoot for probably the first part of next year, when it's cooler outside and I'm not doing as much driving and stuff. I'm gonna try to tear this thing down. James is definitely wanting to let me learn how to build the engine with him. So aside from the machine work, I probably just let whoever the machine guy is mill everything to spec. But as far as assembling it, I'm gonna try to set a time where me and him both can do this. I'm hoping we can do it on Saturday, but if not, I'll take a day and we can just assemble this motor, guys, with him, and I can try to learn more of how that stuff works as far as the block. I was trying to get out of buying new springs and retainers, but he's really trying to convince me to go ahead and do that. So I guess if we're gonna do springs and retainers and we're gonna do pistons and rods, I mean, we already have ARP studs. I guess we're gonna be shooting for like I don't know, 450, 500 maybe. So that'll be freaking sick as hell. Pretty much, guys, I don't know if we'll get 450, but pretty much what I'm gonna do this round is max out this setup as far as the log manifold and the Maxpeedingrods turbo. That turbo is supposed to be good for 500, but the log manifold is definitely gonna hold us back. But I'm not gonna spend money on a different manifold after spending all this money on the rods and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is just max out what we can. If we can get, even if we can get 400, guys, and I know this engine is overbuilt for more than that, we should be fine. And I can just later down the road do a nice ram horn or some other type of manifold that'll flow better, and then maybe we can turn this baby up to 450, maybe even touch 500, which would be insane to own a 500 horsepower car. Stupid crazy, but we'll see, guys. But I really just wanted to make this video on us picking the car up. I also installed that nice unit for Rambo, and I really want to just do this put together video so that you guys could know what's going on as far as the turbo car, because I did say the engine was screwed up, but it is screwed up, but it's not out and over with yet. In an upcoming video, we will be trying to see if fuel pressure is an issue, and if it is, hopefully we can get that resolved, and yeah, we can get the turbo car back up and running good and keep it moving, man. Just keep pushing through these projects. With that being said, guys, like, share, subscribe. I will catch y'all next time. Remember, respect all bills. Peace out.